Hello friends! So today is just gonna be a really chill day. I have to go to a university that I'm hoping to get into and turn in my transcripts. And the primary reason for recording today is I got this little beauty in the mail the other day, and I've never owned a GoPro, so I'm not very familiar with them, and I just kind of wanted to try it out and use it and get familiar with the functions and all that jazz before I take it on these slopes when I go snowboarding this Christmas. So I'm just gonna walk around Tokyo, hopefully find some things that are nice to record. I don't know, this will probably just be a really laid back little video. The school is in a really cute little neighborhood called Sangenjaya. Sangenjaya. I always forget because for any Persona fans out there, which I was absolutely obsessed, low-key still am, if me crying over Joker appearing on the PS4 homepage doesn't indicate that. But actually the little neighborhood that the protagonist lives in is called Yongenjaya, and that is a play on Sangenjaya. So sometimes I forget which one is the actual name. So yeah. It's the Hero 9. It's the newest GoPro model. They had a good deal on them for Thanksgiving and Black Friday, and it came with this little floaty handle port. Why can't I? Tripod. It came with a little clip. It came with all these different little things in the little bundle. I did buy the media mod, which is this little microphone, and I guess you can also attach a light, you know, for when I'm mediaing. So I'm excited to try it out because I hear the stability and stuff on these are insane. So it's gonna be interesting. So goodbye! Yeah, so for Christmas, I am going to Hakuba, which is actually where they did the Winter Olympics, I believe. So they have all kinds of ski resorts, and my dog and I are going to be staying in this cute little cabin, far, far, far away from people. I think one of the best things about being a foreigner in a place like Japan is that I can literally ignore people, men, and pretend that I don't understand them, and it's totally believable. Though the oji-sans that just spoke to me, all they said was, "Somukunai desu ka?" Which, they're absolutely right. I completely misjudged the weather today, and I am a bit chilly. But you know what? It's alright. It's always crazy to me how little the Japanese actually know about how difficult this whole virus has made the lives of foreigners. Because numerous times I've had Japanese people ask if I'm visiting, or like just now I went to the school to turn in my transcripts and she asked me if I came, like if I live here now, or if I came all the way here from America just to turn them in. And I was like, they wouldn't even let me in to the country if I didn't live here. Like, it's just crazy to me how little they know, because foreigners were banned. It's technically, tourists still can't come in, but foreigners were banned from re-entering even if they had residency here for like months, like 8 months. And like, they're only really just now starting to let people back in. I've seen this crossing in a long time. I mean, that's good because people are actually taking staying at home seriously. But that being said, places are still really crowded. Rally, which happens here more than you think. They stand right here. I think a true mark of a foreigner that has been here long enough is when you no longer feel the need to walk down Takeshita Street when you come to Harajuku. My hands are so mother effing cold. Something that was display only and tried to buy it. It was so embarrassing. They were here last time. What the fuck, brother? I think they're out of the thing I came for. The crepes. Brother, what the? Come on. I came for one thing and one thing only, and that is the frozen crepes. And I think it is the one thing they don't have because it's not where it was last time. Brother, where is the pancake core? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Pankakor wa doko desu ka? Doko da yo? I'm so disappointed. The whole reason why I went to IKEA was to get more of their frozen crepes. And it was like the one item they didn't have. Now my day is ruined. I guess I'll just go home. Crepeless and alone.